Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome, welcome, welcome. In today's video, I'll be jump starting my spring cleaning in our guest bedroom. We just made it back in town from my birthday vacation and our guests called me to ask if I wanted them to start the wash on the bedding. And I was like, no, I'll do it. I'm about to start spring cleaning anyway, so thank you all, but I got it. So with that being said, today's video is being sponsored by Eureka. But before we get started, let's go ahead and unbox this stick vac. So this is Eureka's Rapid Clean Pro Lightweight Cordless Stick Vac. And of course, it came with everything we need to jumpstart our spring cleaning. The cordless and lightweight design makes it perfect to use throughout your home. When I tell you no cord and it's lightweight and it does the job, I can't wait to show you. So here is the hand vac and I'm attaching the wand as well as the motorized floor nozzle. And you can really see how movable or flexible the floor nozzle is. And of course it comes with instructions. And let's detach the floor nozzle as well as the wand. And I'm going to add the crevice tool. And we also have this 2-in-1 upholstery tool. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with cleaning and decorating this room. In the first place, I'm going to start my cleaning is the window sill, and I'll be using my stick vac from Eureka. And as you can see, assembly is a breeze. All you have to do is switch out the tools, and there you have it. It also includes a wall mount, which makes it easy to store. So you can just grab it and go, especially with the cordless design, making it perfect for everyday cleaning. And if you've been following me, you know that I am going to vacuum my upholstered furniture. This cordless design makes it that much easier. And of course, I am using the upholstery tool. So perfect for my bed. And it's also going to be perfect for my love seat, sofa, chairs, all of that. And when you're cleaning and vacuuming your bed, don't forget to get the bed rails. That is the most forgot about area. Clean all of that. Get it all. And just a little bit more about this Rapid Clean Pro Stick Vac from Eureka. The rechargeable battery gives you about 40 minutes of run time. It did come with the cord, so you can charge it. You can also switch from Max Pro Power to increase suction, or you can leave it on the low setting. It's easy to rest or prop up against furniture or a countertop. It's easy to maneuver, so you can swivel and steer to get the hard to reach areas. And they designed it with the dust cup to the front so it can easily lay flat. And not to mention, it has LED headlights, which help with seeing dust that you may not see with poor lighting. Now I'm going to use the crevice tool to get those little crevices right along the baseboard. This stick vac definitely is going to get 2 thumbs up from me. It's really easy to use. It's lightweight, very easy to maneuver. As you can see, I'm vacuuming the corners just in case there's any spider webs and things like that. So definitely a good vac, and I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. It also comes with a 1.5-year warranty. I'll leave the link in the description for those of you who are interested. It's very affordable, so look for the link. They do have it on Amazon, as well as you can check Eureka's site. I'll leave the link in the description for their website as well. All right, so thank you, Eureka, for gifting me the Eureka Rapid Clean Pro Stick Vac, also known as the NEC 180. I'll leave the link in the description for those of you who are interested. It definitely is going to get 2 thumbs up from me. All right, I'm going to go ahead and continue cleaning and decorating the space. I'll check back in with you all a little later. Right, so I went ahead and washed and dried the bedding, and they smell absolutely lovely. So every one of my mattresses in the house is going to have a mattress pad, and a mattress cover. And this mattress cover is waterproof. I do recommend waterproof mattress covers as long as they are breathable. I purchased this one from a local store here, so I don't have a link, but this one is considered to be a breathable waterproof mattress cover. All right, so these two pillows up front are new purchases. I wanted to show you how it would look if you wanted to add an extra pillow to these pillows. So in the first one, I actually kept the pillow insert in it and I added another pillow insert to make it really full. So these are the type of fullness you want if this was a pillow in the back. But because it's in the front, I wanted to have more of a, I would say, a chopped look. You'll be so surprised with something as little as adding a feathered pillow insert, a few decorative pillows to your bed or bedding will give your bedroom a different look. I mean, it will take it up to a designer look or just that luxurious look. Now, if you want a little bit more of a luxe look, make sure you have a quilt or a coverlet under your comforter. Pull that comforter halfway down the bed, fold it back like you see me doing here. Just let enough of that quilt or comforter peep out just to give your bed a different look. Now let's move on and decorate. I already had this mirror. I purchased it sometime last year. I actually bought two and I spray painted one gold and left the other one silver. And this will be perfect because the colors I'm going for in this room is going to be silver and white. And I already had these nightstands. I shared a video where I spray painted them black and they turned out great. Best decision I ever made. So last year, I purchased some lamps identical to these, except they were shorter. And I love those, but I knew once I got them home, they were too short. So I took those back and purchased these. These are part of the Uttermost collection. You can find them at Home Goods. They're absolutely gorgeous. They were $100 each. And they are perfect for the space, the right height for my bed. So it's going to line up just perfect. You can't have really short nightstands when you have a really tall headboard. I did not want to move this bed again, but in order for me to plug the lamp up, I had to move it. The nightstands do have plugs in the back of them, but the one on the right, the cord isn't long enough to reach the outlet over on the other side. So I had to move the bed, add an extension cord. I made sure that the lamp came on before I moved the bed back in place, and now we're good. We got light. Let's move on. Since we are moving into spring, it's the perfect time to add those artificial flowers to your space. So over on the right nightstand, I have a large artificial orchid that I added to a silver vase. And over on the left nightstand, I have a really small orchid. It's artificial as well, and I'm going to be adding it to a really small silver vase. And then we'll add a couple more things over on the left, as well as some cute little bunnies just for fun. So I made a little mess. Right after I finished cleaning everything up and start decorating, I'll just grab this stick vac and clean it up. No problem. All right, as you can see, the stick vac does work, and thank you, Eureka, for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave a link to this stick vac as well as their website in the description, so be sure to check it out. All right, you guys, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.